this video, we're going to make cranberry juice with Yakult. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make this one. But first, since there's a lot of cranberry inside, we're gonna just open this. So we use the strainer, guys, and we can just like simply pour it into the bowl. I use the transparent bowl so you can see it well. Use it with a spatula. Yes, I want to make sure that you get all the juice and try it out. Actually, without mixing anything in it, you know, cranberry is very sour. But always remember that cranberry is always good for your health. And this is really good once you mix it with sugar. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you. Yeah, freeze it hard. So I wanna make sure that you get all the juice in it. It's so good right now. This is a lot for the whole thing. You can just only use at least half of it. Or 1/4. It's fine. So we can save this for later. And then we're gonna use the ice cubes. More ice cubes, the better. I like it super cold. And I'll have to, so they still have juice in it. We can water. That's it. So leave some space on the top of this container. And then so we can just use 2 Yakult this time. It depends how much cranberry juice you have and how big is your container. So let's say just 2 Yakult. So this is perfect. And then we just have to stir it well. Actually looks pale on the top, so we have to stir it very well. Yes, I think it looks good right now. It's really bland or super sweet. Actually, the sweet is from Yakult, so we're gonna taste it. It's already sweet, but I feel like I want to add more sugar on it. It depends on your preference. If you like super sweet, then that's good enough. But if you don't like, you know, like bland or you want more sweet, you can add sugar. It depends your preference actually. Really good, super good. So look how it looks like. Actually, the first time before I put the Yakult on it, it was orange or red. Now with small bottle of Yakult, it turned out into this color. Actually, there's more red in the bottom of this container, but it will be okay. It's not a big of a deal. That's all for today's video, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe. And if you have some questions, just comment on the bottom below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.